Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fight back if a TikTok actually suspend your account or put your videos down or someone actually report your account for copyright issues. I'm going to show you how you can actually reply and fight back the violation, get your content again up and running and everything to go as smooth as possible. Let's launch the TikTok app first. And I want you to go ahead and click on the lower right corner. Click on your profile so we can go on our landing page on our TikTok account. Then go ahead and click on the three straight lines on the upper right. Then hit the settings and privacy. Very important, guys. You wanna scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and you wanna click report a problem. Don't lose your time over here on popular topics and don't even look through all this. Okay, this is not gonna help you at all you gotta do is to click submit report, and this is the message I prepared for you guys. As you can see, this is the message. You're gonna craft this message in your own personal case and situation, but this is the main concept. You want to be very friendly. Hi there, how are you? Remember, people who are working on these cases, they didn't ban your account or take your video down personally. It was someone else, okay? This is completely different team from TikTok. So you want to make sure you're very friendly. You tell them, hey, I have a problem. My videos were taken down, or, my account has been taken down. You want to let them know that if this is in terms of copyright issues, you want to tell them that, according to section 107 of the Copyright Act, which provides stationary framework for determining whether something is a fair use and identifies certain types of uses. Meaning, if you use someone else's content for a criticism, for a comments, for a news reporting, for teaching, for scholarship and research, they should not be an issue you using the content. And this is the step number one. If your account was taken down for violation or some crazy reports that has nothing to do with actual content, sometimes you just share a news and people report like violence or something, right? The second step is you want to utilize the pictures and the video section underneath. You want to go out there and see who else report on the same news or who else used the same content that you got copyright for. You're going to take a screenshot and you're going to tell TikTok, hey, these are other accounts on the platform who are using the same exact content and their content was not taken down. Only my content was taken down. Only my account was, suspended. This is what you're going to tell them, so they're going to be able to review and they will say, oh yeah, that's correct. This is not violation. And you're going to get your account back. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.